Okay, so last time we talked about the commencing. So I see some of you guys do it in this way. So you guys just like this way, and they just shake themselves like this. Okay, I must say, you guys are creative and also hilarious. Okay, so but today we are going to go through the next move, which is the grasping the brush tail, and the first move, expansion. So from here, so the expansion. So once we got in the ending position of commencing, so hands here. So in traditional way, or what I have learned, is you're not moving like this. All right. You're not moving like this. Instead, so both weight on 2 feet, 50-50, and you just open this using the axis of your heel here. So you're not transferring the weight here. Instead, you're just opening up here. At the same time, hold the ball, shift the weight to your right. All right, so it's not like here and then go here. Why? What we want to train in here is like the tangent between the quad. So this part, we want to open this, create the tangent here. So create the tangent here. So if we are just moving here, okay, there's nothing here. All right, but if we are trying to tear this off and then transfer the weight, it's a lot easier for you to feel the tension within the quad, which is opening up the quad. So from here, you step and then you move up like this. Tune yourself back. All right, tune yourself back to square. All right, chest level. So from here, I see a lot of you guys are doing like this. So this is not correct. It should be opening up like this. So twisting here, opening up in this way instead of this. All right. So I hope it helps. 2 main points here: open the quad and also the palm itself. All right. Hope it helps.